Hey guys, how you doing? It's Scott D. Renwick from SAS Landscapes, and today I just want to take you through laying down some bark mulch and a common mistake a lot of people make. So join me down here, I'll talk you through it. Okay. So down here we've got some fine grade bark mulch, which is just a level or two more fine than your regular bark mulch. Now, a common mistake a lot of people make when they lay bark mulch is they think they're being clever and they put down a membrane underneath. A common membrane used would be Mypex, which is a barrier which allows the water through but doesn't allow the weeds up. So they think they're being clever because that's low maintenance. Now, it is clever if you're using something like pebble or a stone chip, but with bark mulch you really shouldn't use it. And the reason why you wouldn't use it is, well, there's two reasons. The first reason is that because there's a membrane there, it doesn't allow the bark mulch to suck up the moisture from the soil. And because of that, when you get a strong wind, you're going to get bark mulch blowing all over your patio and all over your garden. But the other reason that a lot of people don't think about is that this stuff eventually decomposes even further. And when it does, what you're left with is a type of compost. So, what's the result? The result is you have your layer of membrane with about 2 inches of compost, which defeats the whole purpose of having a membrane. So the best thing for you to do if you want bark mulch in your garden is to put on a nice thick layer, maybe 3 or 4 inches of bark mulch, and then just top it up annually with a couple of bags from your local DIY store every year. So remember, if you're laying down bark mulch, do it directly onto the soil without any membrane. Okay, that's it for me, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.